In this Photoshop tutorial, let's take a look at how to invert layer masks. So if I want to make a mask of me right here, I'm going to go to Select down to Subject. And that's going to make an auto selection of the person that Photoshop sees in the image. Once we have that selection, we can come down here to our Mask button and make a mask on that layer. So once we add a layer mask, it's going to knock out, if I can click on this thing, hold on, there we go. It's going to knock out everything else. Sometimes it's the opposite of what you want. So if I actually wanted it to knock out the person, kind of cut out the person, and then show all the background, I need to invert this layer mask down here. The quickest way to do that is Command or Control I when you have the mask selected. So when we press Command or Control I, it inverts that mask. You can see the black part of the mask turns white and vice versa. We can go back and forth between that. This selection is up in the image drop-down, down to adjustments, and then you'll find invert right here. And basically this is the same invert adjustment that you can use on anything in Photoshop. It just happens to be that when you have the mask selected, it simply inverts the mask. So we click that button, it'll invert the mask. Now let me show you a quick way to create an inverted mask. So we're going to do that again. We're going to go Select Subject. It's going to select the subject real quick. Now down here, we clicked on this mask icon, but if we hold Option or Alt while we click on it, let me try to get it better here. There we go. So I held Option on a Mac, and that's Alt on PC, and I clicked on that, and it created an inverted mask. Now I can still go back and forth between that with Command or Control I, but if you click on this, it creates the mask one way. If you click on it with Option or Alt held, it creates an inversion of that mask. So this is how to create or how to invert your mask here in Photoshop.